Most people wait for a big moment to change their lives, but the truth is, real transformation is quiet, hidden, daily. These 20 habits didn't just improve my productivity, they rebuilt my mindset, rewired my identity, and helped me evolve in silence. Here they are. 1. Waking up before the world, before the noise, before the scrolling. That's when I meet myself, and I always show up. 2. Making my bed, not for neatness, for momentum. Win the first battle of the day. 3. Cold showers. Discipline in 60 seconds. If I can conquer comfort, I can conquer anything. 4. Daily walks without my phone. No distractions, just clarity. That's where most of my ideas are born. 5. 1 hour of deep work. No tabs, no phone. Focused, brutal, productive. 6. Lifting heavy, physically and mentally. Iron sharpens everything. 7. Drinking water like it's my superpower, because it is. 8. Reading 10 pages every day. It rewired my thinking. My brain stopped craving chaos and started craving growth. 9. Journaling. Some days it's messy, some days it's deep, but every day it's honest. 10. One promise kept daily, even if it's small. That's how you rebuild self-trust. 11. No screen time during the first hour. Protect your mind before the world floods it. 12. Tracking my time. Not to be perfect, but to be aware. Because most people don't even know where their time bleeds. 13. Saying no. A lot. Not to be rude, but to stay focused. 14. Silence every night. No music, no content. Just me and the weight I carry. That's where healing begins. 15. Daily movement, even when I'm tired. Motion destroys stagnation. 16. Eating clean. Not for abs, for energy, for focus, for war. 17. Keeping a clean space. Outer chaos becomes inner chaos. So I clean like my life depends on it, because sometimes it does. 18. Writing down 3 wins every night, even if the win is simply, I didn't quit today. 19. Speaking to myself with respect, because if I don't have my own back, who will? 20. Reminding myself daily, no one is coming to save me. I am the rescue plan. These 20 habits didn't change me overnight. They changed me slowly, painfully, permanently. It was never about motivation. It was about repetition, stacking small wins, building identity, evolving in silence, because the loudest transformations happen quietly.